Hey there, do-it-yourself technicians. Today's tip is on speeding your system boot time by tweaking the startup items. Every time Windows starts, a collection of programs start up, many of which are set to run in the background. These programs, called the startup items, provide a collection of services, some of which you simply don't need. Often programs you install add small items to the startup, but over time all of these small items add up to become a real drag on your system's startup performance. Throughout the history of Windows, these startup items have lived in a bunch of different places. In recent versions of Windows 10, it's embedded in the Task Manager. To get there, you can search the Start menu for Task Manager, or you can right-click on the System Time down in the bottom right corner and select Task Manager. Or there's the shortcut keys, Control, Shift, Escape. Once you're in the Task Manager, click More Options at the bottom and then go to the Startup tab. Here you're provided with a list of all of the items set to run at startup on your system. You can see from this list that I've sorted the list by status and that many of the items are in fact disabled. It doesn't mean that they aren't worthwhile, it just means that the way that I use my laptop, I want it to start as quickly as possible, so I turn off all of the ones that I know that I'm not going to need every single time. If you don't know what an item does, there's a couple of things that you can do. If you right click on any item, you'll get the context menu. And this option gives you the ability to show the location of the file in the file system, which will often provide clues to what it's for. The next option, Search Online, does a Bing search for the name of the application, which will often provide a wealth of information about what it does and whether you need it. As does the Properties option, option number 3. The good news is that nothing in here should be required for your system to start. So feel free to disable a bunch of them and just see how your system runs. If there's something you really needed, you can turn it straight back on again. Obviously, you'll have to restart the system to see the benefit. I hope this quick tip on startup items was useful for you. Let me know in the comments below. The Tech Doctor Network exists to help you become your own technician and navigate your technology maze. This tip comes from my forthcoming book about troubleshooting and maintaining your computer. You can be the first to find out more about that by clicking to subscribe to our newsletter up here. You can also subscribe to the YouTube channel down here, and there's some videos that you may not have seen before here and here. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.